Hey, good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing great today. This is going to be a trade recap, going over today's trade, right? So today we low-key did bang out across my 5x phase. Last night we did pass the eval during Asia session, right? Simple 5 cons, 13 points. But yeah, today was a pretty good day. So we're gonna go ahead and break into it here. Real quickly, I am going to share out my P&L calendar for the month. Currently, we have been green damn near. Oh, sorry, this is a express we just passed, but we've been green damn near all month, right? So we're doing amazing this month. We just requested 5.2k, 5.3k last night, and we're requesting like 1.6k tonight. So we're doing really good, guys. But with that being said, of course, there's always things to learn from the markets, and always just adjusting and refining your strategy, right? So a little bit of a trade recap. What did the market do as soon as we opened, right? Market opened, right, and we just dumped lower. Cool. By the way, there is going to be a 15-minute low right here, right? So we are going to keep that into consideration, right? I'm going to go ahead and delete all the drawings, right? We have a 15-minute low taken right here, right? So a 15-minute low right here, right? And then just to confirm, this is a 15-minute low. Yeah, cool. So we have a 15-minute low right there, right? ES seems to be following us, right? But let's just go piece by piece, right? So this candle goes lower, this candle consolidates, it rebalances into this internal range, and then displaces lower. Another rebalance candle. All right, then we have double manipulation at these lows, right? So we take out internal lows, right? So what is this? It's turtle soup, internal turtle soup. Cool, right? So we have internal turtle soup. We have double manipulation at these lows, and to be honest, bro, I am very, very, very bullish, right? And why am I bullish? We have so many draws higher, right? Also, we have a 15-minute fair value gap, and also, I was just bullish on the day, right? I literally saw this as a manipulation move. Okay, I saw this whole move as a manipulation move. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and what does this candle do? All right, a little bit of order displacement out of the double manipulation, right? That's displacement out of the double manipulation, and then following that displacement, we go higher, right? What do we do here? We take out this internal draw. Cool. We also tap into this order block. Yeah. So kind of just fucking around, right? Market expands higher, take out this draw liquidity, and then following that, we dump lower, right? I personally saw this as a manipulation move, this dump lower, right? Because why did I see it as a manipulation move? Because ES ended up taking out the 15-minute low we had marked out, right? The 15-minute low had been taken out by ES while we lacked to take it out on Nasdaq, right? So here we are, we have an SMT across, the two pairs, right? Because of course Nasdaq and ES are going to be correlating pairs, right? They move together, one goes up, the other goes up, the drill. But with that being said, yeah, so ES ends up taking out the 15-minute low while we failed to do so. We end up putting an SMT right at the lows. Following that, what happens? Okay, we end up having triple manipulation. We end up taking this internal low as well, right? And for those people that don't know, I trade very low RR, high win rate. So I'm reacting to what the market's doing. I'm just looking for a small piece, 40, 50 points, sometimes even less, right? Just getting my piece and get the fuck out, right? Because that's what is the most obvious draw liquidity. So yeah. With that being said, we end up taking again double manipulation. We have another form of manipulation taking out these draws, right? So we have this up candle right here, this down candle right here, right? This candle takes out this internal low as well. What do we do after that? We have a bullish candle right here, right? This bullish candle, I'll zoom in. This bullish candle right here rebalances higher but fails to deliver, right? And then this candle right here taps back into this order block and then goes higher, right? So pretty exceptional. This was my entry right here, right? My stop loss is going to be right here. What am I targeting? Literally a 1-to-1, 43 points. Boom, hit in one candle, right? Literally in one candle, I'm done. That's my trade. Why did I take this trade? Because we displaced off of this order block right here, right? We also had double form of manipulation. No, we had triple form of manipulation. Well, you could say it was double because here's one, we took out this low, then two, took out that low, plus the SMT at the lows, order block and displacement out of that. I personally, I was very bullish following that. Obviously, don't get me wrong, we have a 15-minute draw liquidity right here, right? But again, we've already taken out the 15-minute by ES, so you could say it's already been taken out, and we just have an SMT at the lows. But yeah, that was literally today's trade, guys. Simple as that. One candle, TP hit in seconds, right? I can real quickly go ahead and show my executions, and yeah, y'all can see that right there. 6 micros. I adjust my sizing based off of how, like, you know, how big my stop loss is. I try to aim for like a $500 stop loss to like a $600 stop loss per trade, and you know, just go for 1-to-1s, 1-to-1.5s, and yeah, super simple stuff. But with that being said, literally that's it for today, guys. That's literally it for today. Extremely simple day. My hair's so chopped right now, but extremely simple day. Any questions anyone has, feel free to DM me. I do currently have a free Discord. Anyone can join that free Discord. I do eval giveaways on there all the time. But yeah, extremely simple day, guys. You know, it was just reacting to the market, and obviously people could have fell for this long right here, right? But you know, I personally really wanted to wait for that SMT to, like, you know, get put in place before I could take a long, right? So yeah, overall, good day. Could not complain. And yeah, that's about it for me today, guys. I mean, overall, again, also this was a 0.72 of the range, so OT target. But yeah, that's basically it for me today, guys. I appreciate everyone watching this recap. Super simple stuff. We're pulling out a payout today on, again, like I mentioned, on this account right here, that's 3.6 balance, and then we have these other 4 accounts which we just put a pay. No, we other 3 accounts we just put a payout on. These 1, 2, 3, right? And then we have the Fresh Express, which we just passed last night, putting us at max allocation, right? So hopefully a payout next week, if not the following week, right? But we're up currently 11.4K on the month, and we'll see what happens. So with that being said, though, I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Hope everyone has a blessed day. If you are still trading, please be careful, and you know, just wait for your most probable setup to show up, and don't take anything stupid. All right, I'll catch you. Goodbye, guys.